Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fill empty parts of any photo using Photoshop. So let's begin. First open Photoshop in your PC or laptop. Then import the photo. Go to the toolbar and select the rectangular marquee tool. Now select the empty parts like this. Right-click on this selection and go to Fill. Click OK button. The right side of the photo is filled now. Go to the left side of the photo and also make selection here. Right-click on this selection, go to Fill again and then click OK button. Press Ctrl and D button for remove the selection. And it's done. Isn't it so easy? Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.